Same AI, two practices, and it can sound completely different. Here's how. Today, we'll be going over the voice page for your agent, which includes its greeting, language, and personality toggles. Starting with the greeting. This is the first line patients hear when calling the phone. For our example, we're using Hi, thanks for calling Demo Smiles. This is Kate, the AI receptionist. How can I help you today? This is also where many practices like to clarify that the receptionist is AI to callers. In addition to your default greeting, you can use scheduled greetings to change based on time or day, but must be done in conjunction to scheduled instructions found on the bottom of the instructions page. As we scroll down below the greeting, we'll come across the voice style, time zone, and language preferences. When clicking on voice style, you'll get a drop-down menu of a variety of personalities to choose from, such as Nina, Victoria, and Emily. On the right-hand side, you can use the green button to sample each voice style independently. We can then select our time zone and language preference. Please note, when using the multilingual feature, to also include what languages your agent can speak in the voice instructions. For our example, our agent can speak both Spanish and English, but only initiate speaking in Spanish when the caller does. As we scroll to the bottom of the voice page, we'll come across the personality toggles. Friendly or professional, you dial it in. And don't forget, always click Save on the bottom of your screen to save your progress. Same smart agent with your practice's voice. Start setting your tone with the greeting today.